It's your boy, the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my goons for pulling up once again. And today we're talking about XLM, also known as Stellar Lumens. Now, Stellar Lumens is set up to take off. And if you don't know anything about Stellar, look at it like this. It's the little brother to XRP, where XRP is mainly for the larger institutions and XLM is for the individuals like you and I. But let's talk and let's hop into these charts. Now, as you can see, currently Stellar is in the triangle. Now, there are several things to notice here. We're making higher lows and lower highs, okay? Now, normally with these, you see these things squeeze and then price takes off in a different direction. So as you've seen the past day or so or 2 days, people have been panicking because everyone, for some reason, expects for cryptocurrency to always go up like this forever. But that's not how markets work. Markets make pulses, then they make corrections, and then they make pulses. Now, in the instance of XLM, what I'm looking for is a pullback. And of course, you know how I roll on this channel. If you're one of the original goons, we always use the Fibonacci. So I take price from here, or the Fibonacci from here to the high. Now, what I'm looking for is a pullback into the 50% or the 618. Now, let me break this down from the monthly into the weekly so that we can get a clearer picture. So right now we have this candle pattern, which signals that the market is about to move lower, okay? So in this example, I'm looking for the market to come here and do something like this. Followed by a move up like this. So at the 50, we're at 22 cents. And at the 618, we're at 17 cents. Now, I know a lot of people are thinking, man, that's mighty low. However, for someone like me, I'm always dollar cost averaging. And if you look at the 22 cent area, we're at this level right here of support. And at the 17 area, we're at this level of support. So these are great areas to buy in. Okay, now you know where the highs are, right? The high currently is 62 cents, right? So we know that it's going to return to this high and exceed it, right? But we don't know if it's going to just hit the 50, which a lot of times in crypto, it hits the 50 and then reverses. But at the least, buying more at the 618. So let me head back to the monthly. And with the Fibonacci, for anybody that doesn't know, we reverse the Fibonacci to come up with our price targets. Turn the reversal on. So next stop for XLM is $1.55, making a new high and filling these wicks of the previous highs. Of course, followed by another move down to previous resistance that is now support, and then another move up to the 161. Now for me, the 141 and the 161 are two of the best price targets. Those are two price targets that are law, especially with the Fibonacci. And if you don't know anything about the Fibonacci, and if you don't know anything about triangle patterns, I suggest you learn about them. In addition to that, Elliott wave. These things show themselves in cryptocurrency markets every bull run over and over and over. Crypto bubbles, as we saw, Bitcoin created an all-time high, and now Bitcoin is starting to cool off. And we're starting to see more money. You know, a lot of those profits are flowing into some of these altcoins. Now, let's pull up XLM. And there was a lot of people panicking for some odd reason. Now, on the day, we're down 0.59%. On the week, we're down 2.5%. But on the month, we're up 401%. Of course, if we go up 401%, we're going to have some type of pullback. 401% isn't totally natural in the market. Now, on a year, we are up 283%, which I'll take that, right? So shout out to everybody that knows that crypto markets pull back. Now, when this thing launches and goes crazy, just like XRP, don't call me. I'm not going to answer my phone. I'm not going to answer any comments, emails, text messages, nothing. I'm going to be out shopping for a giraffe or koala bear for my backyard. If you don't know anything about XLM, make sure you learn about it, because this is one of these long-term holds because of the technology and how it can be implemented to actually help people in the real world, along with XRP. And I know a lot of people are looking at XRP saying, hey, you know, I want to spend a little bit of money so that I can have maximum gains. Now, if you feel as though that you missed XRP, XLM is the next best cryptocurrency for you to check out because the technologies are similar. It's just slightly different uses. Like I said, XLM is for the individuals and XRP is designed for the institutions to send money fast and provide liquidity amongst larger institutions and banking systems. Versus XLM is meant for us to cross borders, to send money cross borders for individuals. Now, of course, there's a long-term play here, and I've talked about XLM potentially reaching $14 in the future. But this video right here is to talk about the next target during this bull market. And you already know the vibes. Shout out to all my goons. I appreciate you all pulling up. Crypto Goon out.